The National Prescription Drug Abuse Summit continued today in Atlanta, Georgia.
Federal officials discussed ways in which they are working to prevent prescription drug addiction. WYMT's Matthew Rand joins us now live from Atlanta with more.
Stephen Dale, greetings from Atlanta and the National Prescription Drug Abuse Summit. I've been talking with federal officials who say while opioid narcotics carry great help for people with severe pain, they also carry with them the risk for abuse. Researchers are looking at ways to fight addiction and save lives. Federal officials met to discuss ways in which they are responding to a prescription drug abuse epidemic that takes 100 lives every day in the U.S.
These are not just statistics. They are mothers, they are fathers, they are sisters, they are brothers, and they are our friends.
The panel included a number of leading researchers, including Dr. Francis Collins, director of the National Institutes for Health.
Some of the things we're doing include developing new kinds of pain medicines that would not be susceptible to misuse or addiction.
Researchers are also learning more about the behavioral roots of abuse.
What leads many individuals to start to preferring this type of prescription drugs as opposed to the classical illicit substances because of the misconception that because they are prescribed by a physician, they have to be safe.
And the more we learn, says Representative Hal Rogers, the more it will affect policy.
And I think these summits have, the most dramatic thing they've done is educate the country about this problem. And now we're pouncing on the problem, trying to solve it.
And hopefully one day make pain pill addiction a thing of the past. And researchers say all kinds of research and new therapies are showing promise, including one day we could, believe it or not, have an actual vaccine to prevent against drug abuse. Live in Atlanta, Matthew Rand, now back to you.
Okay, thank you, Matthew. Very interesting.